Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Yes, I did tell you on my Heaven Panty video I was going to make a second video. That's what we're doing right now. Apologies for my appearance. Pretty dirty. Been outside all day today. Honestly, you guys, I just wanted to get these videos made. A very busy weekend coming up. Friend's wedding and all kinds of stuff. A bunch of travel this weekend. So I wanted to get these made. And recorded and hopefully uploaded. Our internet has been crazy, you guys. They finally came out and did some adjustments on the house. Hopefully, so far so good, but our internet was just, and we did have a bunch of really strong storms come through, so it's just been a little bit chaotic for the last 2 weeks. But you guys, we got Scentbox. I love this subscription, you guys. So this is a way to try various fragrances very affordably to see what you like and what you don't like. If you are a scent connoisseur, you love fragrance and perfume, this is a great way to really add to your collection. What you get is a little squirty with basically a month's supply of a fragrance for you to try. All right, where we go? There it went. Okay, so this basically tells me what my scent is. I'm not going to look at it. Honestly, you guys, I got the base subscription for quite a long time, and I pretty much tried everything I wanted to try in their collection of like base level scents. So recently I upgraded to the next highest level to be able to try some slightly more expensive fragrances. They have like several tiers. So if you really want to like try like the really expensive stuff, you can do that. I really like this. Here's what it looks like. Now, this is what every month looks like, except your first. Your first, you do get a really nice, cute little box. But all it is there, you get a little atomizer that has your month's worth. And this is, they change. With Scentbox, they're going to look different every month. This one's kind of wild. It's pink and black. Here's our little Scentbox logo. I'm kind of rolling it around, but so basically, if you twist it, there is your atomizer, and this is basically what it is. It's a refillable atomizer. All right, and that's a month's worth of fragrance, and they base it on a couple of sprays per day. Okay, so what did I get? I gotta look. I got I don't remember who makes this. I'm gonna have to look at my cheat sheet and see if it tells me who makes this. I'm trying to remember who actually makes this. Oh, it's Givenchy. It's a eau de parfum, and it's L'Interdit. And I don't speak French, so I'm just gonna slaughter it. It's L'Interdit. It's an eau de parfum by Givenchy. So I knew I went in and I selected a couple of fragrances for subsequent months, and then I tend to forget what I got. So yep, I have a whole collection of them. If you guys can see right here, they are all, and some of them are empty now, but I do keep them because honestly, these are refillable. If you clean them out and you want to put a different fragrance in, you can. Now, I don't know where you're going to get that different fragrance, but you know, if you have some larger bottles of fragrance and you want to do something like this to take with you on a trip, that's totally a cool idea. So, ooh, I like this a lot. Just smelling it here. I like this a lot. I could definitely see me restocking this and getting subsequent months of this. So I'm going to spray it on my, and you guys, how many of you grew up when you sprayed yourself with perfume, just rubbed it together like that to transfer the scent, right? Doing this? Well, I watched some videos of some perfume connoisseurs on YouTube, and that was a big no-no. You crushed the smell. You crushed the fragrance doing that. So if you want to transfer it, you can tap, but never like rub violently, because all that friction destroys all the notes of the fragrance. And I literally did that growing up for decades, and so it is very hard for me to not just want to vigorously rub when I spray a fragrance on myself. So now it's interesting. It smells different coming out than it did. I like it though. Kind of a powdery after scent to it, but it's still that kind of smell I like. Now, you guys, I tend to look for fragrances that have notes of jasmine in it and then go from there, because I know that's been like a scent that I just love. So yeah, I do like this. Again, it's by Givenchy, and of course I don't speak French, so I'm going to slaughter the name. But it is L'Interdit, and then the apostrophe, or an apostrophe, and Interdit. L'Interdit. I'm slaughtering it. Sorry, but it's by Givenchy. So it's my first fragrance from Givenchy. I do like it. Last month I got one I really didn't like. I thought about sending it back, but I decided I really need to give it a try. And that said, I just stuck it in my collection and have only used it once. Not really like my favorite scent, but I will probably just try to use it up. I'll take it to work and just try to use it up, but I like this. I'm definitely going to give this a whirl. It's growing on me, so... okay, so the fun thing about Scentbox is, you guys, I have a referral code. Now, I don't earn any money as like a affiliate type thing. This is truly a referral code. So you have two options if you want to try this. You can use my referral code, and what happens is you go in, you pay for your first month in full, you get your second month free, and then I get a month for free. They do have a deal on your website. If you want and you don't want to use my referral, you can use they have a little offer that you can get your first month for like $9.72. Now we're talking the base subscription, of course. So, you know, from about $16, you would get just under $10, or you can just pay the 1 month at the regular price that you're going to be paying and get a month for free. So do you want to spend $10 and then jump up to $16, or you want to just spend $16 and then not spend $16 on your second month? I think free is always better than like a $5 discount, but hey, you guys, do what you want, but I really do appreciate those of you who have used my referral, because when you do that, I do get given a free month, or a free, you know, one of these at that base level of perfume. So it doesn't equate to, you know, the higher levels, but they surprisingly did not send, usually they send a card that tells you the his and her fragrances of the month. They always have a his and her fragrance of the month, like a fragrance that's especially called out for the month. I'm kind of surprised they didn't do that, but usually it's always in there. But then you earn Scentbox, and as you earn Scentbox, you just keep building those up. You can actually buy like full sizes of your favorite fragrances, and get your Scentbox applied toward that. And I've got, I think, like $30, 30-ish something dollars saved up in Scentbox to be able to use on a full bottle of something of my choice, and at some point. But like I said, they do have definitely different tiers, levels, depending on basically what you're willing to spend will access you certain fragrances to certain dollar amounts. I went through and tried all the base ones that I wanted to try, and then it was time to move up and try some nicer fragrances. They also offer, you can do like 2 per month. So if you want to get 2 fragrances for yourself, you can do that. Or, you know, if you're in a relationship with somebody, you can get 1 for you and 1 for your partner. So that's always a nice thing too. And they do it at every level. So I think it's a really great subscription. There are a lot of fragrance subscriptions out there. This is the one I've been most happy with, because they do offer free returns. If you do not like the scent that you got, you can, as long as you don't use a bunch of it, you contact them and let them know. They'll get you changed out into a new scent. Now, that means you can use 1 or 2 spritzes and go, oh, I do not like this. Then you contact them. If you use, you know, a significant amount, you see it's full up to the top right here. If you use and you try to return it to here, they're going to reject it and say, no, you've used way too much. You are not getting a return. But it's free returns, and I don't think any of the other companies that are fragrance subscriptions do that. So that's one reason I'm really pleased with this. I did 1 month get a scent that I did not have in my queue, because you go in and you fill in your queue, the fragrances you want to try each month. You can every month go in and pick one, or you can set several months in advance. So I got a scent and I was like, I don't remember choosing this. And I went in and it was not in my queue at all. It was not the fragrance I was supposed to get for the month. So I thought I was going to have to go ahead and send it back to them. And I contacted them and they said, we're so sorry. We will send you out the fragrance you were supposed to get. And they didn't have me return the other one. They said, please keep that. Go ahead and keep it. It's our fault. We messed up. We didn't, you know, take a look at what you wanted in your queue. Probably they mispackaged something, I don't know, but I really like that too. That customer service was amazing. Like, I got a free fragrance basically, even though it wasn't one I really wanted. It was kind of nice to try something else. And then I did get for free the actual scent that I wanted for the month. So I did appreciate that. I thought they did a nice job. So all right, y'all, I'm not going to ramble any further. You know, let me know down below in the comments if you have questions. Like I said, I will put that referral down below. I really appreciate it. When I started this, I used another YouTube creator's referral as well. So she got a month and I got a month. That was Miss Alexis from Haute Modesty. I used her code and she did get a free month and I did get a free month. So, and I've had a number of you guys do it as well. I really do appreciate that. Like I said, I don't get any money. I do get a try another perfume, which is a lot of fun. So, okay, guys, I'm going to stop rambling. I hope you're having a great weekend, and I will see you all on my next video. Bye, everybody.